Coconut oil has a plethora of benefits for both hair and skin. Looking for a natural way to improve the health of your hair and skin? Coconut oil may be the answer. This versatile oil has a myriad of benefits for both hair and skin, making it a great addition to your beauty routine. Keep watching to learn more about the benefits of coconut oil for hair and skin. And by the end of the video, there are some tips for incorporating coconut oil into your hair and skincare routines. The benefits of coconut oil for hair. Coconut oil has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for hair and scalp health. Its unique composition of fatty acids and vitamins makes it an ideal treatment for dry, damaged, and brittle hair. Coconut oil can help to nourish and moisturize your hair, and can also promote hair growth. Here are some of the benefits of coconut oil for hair. Coconut oil has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for hair. It is known to nourish and condition the scalp and hair, making it softer, shinier and healthier. Coconut oil is also said to help prevent dandruff and lice. There are many benefits of coconut oil for hair. It is a natural conditioner and helps to keep the scalp healthy. Coconut oil also helps to protect the hair from damage caused by the sun and wind. It can also help to prevent split ends and make the hair appear thicker and fuller. Coconut oil is also said to help with dandruff. Dandruff is caused by a fungus called malassezia which lives on the scalp. Coconut oil can help to kill this fungus and prevent dandruff from occurring. Coconut oil can also help with lice. Lice are small insects that live in the hair and feed on the blood of the scalp. Coconut oil can help to kill lice and their eggs, preventing them from returning. The benefits of coconut oil for skin. Coconut oil has been used as a natural remedy for a variety of skin conditions. The benefits of coconut oil for skin are well documented, and it is now gaining popularity as a natural skincare product. Coconut oil is an excellent moisturizer and can be used to treat dry, flaky skin. It can also be used to treat eczema and psoriasis. Coconut oil has anti-inflammatory properties and can be used to treat acne. Coconut oil is an excellent all-natural skincare product and has many benefits. It is a safe, effective, and inexpensive way to keep your skin looking and feeling its best. Here are some tips for incorporating coconut oil into your hair and skincare routines. For hair, coconut oil can be used as a leave-in conditioner. Apply a small amount to damp hair, focusing on the ends, style as usual. Coconut oil can also be used as a deep conditioner. Apply a generous amount to clean damp hair. Cover with a shower cap and leave on for 30 minutes to 1 hour, shampoo and condition as usual. For quick and easy hair treatment, mix equal parts coconut oil and honey, apply to clean, damp hair and leave on for 20 minutes. Rinse well and shampoo and condition as usual. For skin, to use coconut oil as a natural makeup remover, simply massage it into your skin and then wipe it away with a cotton ball. Coconut oil makes an excellent all-natural body moisturizer. Apply it after showering or bathing, while your skin is still damp, for best results. You can also use coconut oil as a facial moisturizer. Simply apply a small amount to clean, damp skin. For a DIY facial scrub, mix together 1 teaspoon of coconut oil with 2 tablespoons of sugar. Gently massage onto your face in circular motions, then rinse away with warm water. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, because there will be more meaningful and valuable tips coming after this video. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the video's comment section. And thank you very much for watching.